If you've ever opened a PenTest Plus question and thought, I know this stuff, so why does every answer feel almost right? Asterisk, this course is for you. This audio series isn't about tools, tricks, or memorizing attack names. It's about learning how the exam wants you to think, how to recognize the phase you're in, how to spot constraints hiding in the question, and how to choose the next best action when multiple options sound plausible.
Each episode is short, focused, and built for real life, commutes, workouts, or late nights when a screen just isn't happening. You'll hear real-world reasoning translated directly into exam logic, post-exploitation decisions, lateral movement choices, evidence handling, reporting language, cleanup discipline, and executive-level thinking.
We don't rush, we don't wander, and we don't teach you to break things recklessly. Instead, you'll learn how professional testers reason under pressure, how they prove impact safely, respect scope, avoid unnecessary damage, and communicate risk clearly. That's what PenTest Plus actually measures, and that's what this course is designed to build. If you want confidence instead of guesswork, if you want to hear why one answer is better than the others, and if you want to walk into the exam thinking like a tester, not a trivia machine. This course was developed by Dr. Jason Edwards, and it's ready when you are. Subscribe, plug in your headphones, and let's sharpen your judgment, one decision at a time. Thanks for listening. For more audio courses, daily newsletters, and more, please visit baremetalcyber.com.